Hello friends, as you know all we are in a lockdown and yesterday, that is the Tuesday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the extension of the current nationwide lockdown till May 3rd with the intensive containment measures at hotspot till April 20 in order for areas to qualify for any relief measures and freedom of mobility, especially for hackers and the daily wage workers. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi thanked the citizens of India for the cooperation they provided during the first lockdown and made a humble request to strictly follow these 7 points for the second lockdown in order to successfully fight against the corona disease. Point he said, I want you all to take care of elderly in your home. That is the old person, Dadaji, Dadi Amma, like the old persons who are very old and sick. Those who are already suffering from some chronic diseases, since they are especially vulnerable or prone to diseases easily due to less resistant power, we need to take more care for them. So caring is more important here. Second point, related to social distancing, very strictly we have to follow the social distance at home or anywhere wherever we go out for purchasing the essential commodities and use of the face masks, especially homemade face masks. The point is to strengthen our immune system. To strengthen our immune system, he advised to follow the issues given by Ayush Ministry of measures to boost up immunity should be followed, like taking the jeera water or the hot water frequently, gargling, and be washing our hands regularly. Fifth point, he stressed that please download the Arogya Setu mobile app and encourage others to do so as well to protect our from the this deadly disease corona. The sixth point is try and help out the poor, mostly who are surrounded by you, regarding the daily wages people who don't have the shelter are staying in a rehabilitation center. And the seventh point is show dignity or show sympathy to your colleagues. Don't remove from the jobs, pay the salaries. And the last and the seventh point is show your respect or gratitude towards the corona warriors like doctor, health workers, sanitation workers, police and others who are working day and night 24 by 7 to handle with the corona patients. And lastly, he said, your efforts exemplify what is meant by the phrase, we the people of India in our constitution. It is true homage to the Baba Sahib Ambedkar on his birth anniversary, he said. These Saptapadi are the route to success to let us follow this strictly or obediently. Stay at home, be blessed with good health. Thank you. If you like, subscribe it.
And please subscribe.